This is a Viking-style chest made for a class at the Eureka Springs School of Art. In the class, we divide into two parts. One is making the wood and under my supervision, and the other part, making the iron, is under the guidance of Dale Custer, who's a master Arkansas blacksmith. I am making a coopered lid for a small chest, and it consists of 5 pieces, each cut on each side with a 7.5 degree angle. And I've applied tape to the top so that when the blade cuts it, it'll leave a very crisp edge. And that very crisp edge and the tape will allow me to assemble it and then peel the tape off, removing any excess glue. So now I can begin assembly, and I'll lay them down. So this is the outside face laid down. So now I apply tape along each of the seams. And you can see how this will roll up into a coopered form. To begin gluing, I can open it up and lay a bead of glue down each edge. And then when I close it up like this, the whole thing's in position. I simply brace the assembly between this board stuck in the miter gauge slot and the fence. So I'll leave it like that for a while until the glue is set, and then I can come back and peel off the tape from the inside. After the tape is removed, you have a nice clean surface on the inside ready for sanding. And the tape, if you take it off in about an hour and a half, 2 hours after you've glued it, everything comes off clean and clear. You don't want to wait too long, because then the glue gets a little harder and more difficult to remove. I'm taking a block plane and I'm bringing it more to a rounded surface. You want the mouth of the plane closed pretty tight, because that will prevent things from tearing out. So you can see when it's hitting difficult stuff like that, turn it around and come from the other direction, and you'll likely get a cleaner cut. And after planing, you can use a random orbit sander to continue smoothing it to